In the vast expanse of the Golden Plains, where the endless sky met the rolling earth, there rode a wanderer on horseback. His name was Ivan, a solitary traveler who roamed the land without a destination. With his weather-beaten face and a heart burdened by the weight of the unknown, he journeyed through the boundless prairie. Ivan's loyal companion was a magnificent steed named Aurora, a creature of grace and strength. Together, they formed an inseparable bond, their destinies intertwined beneath the open canopy of the heavens. They traveled without haste, guided only by the whispers of the wind and the soft murmurs of the grass beneath their hooves. As they ventured deeper into the heart of the plain, they encountered a myriad of wonders. Herds of wild horses galloped alongside them, their hooves creating a rhythmic melody that echoed through the vastness. Flocks of birds painted the sky with their flight, and fields of colorful wildflowers swayed in the breeze, creating a vibrant tapestry of life. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm, amber glow across the land, Ivan and Aurora stumbled upon a small, secluded oasis. The oasis was a sanctuary of life in the midst of the arid plain, a tranquil pond encircled by lush greenery and blooming flowers. Ivan dismounted and allowed Aurora to drink from the cool, refreshing water. As he gazed into the shimmering pond, he saw not only his own reflection but also the reflection of a nomad, a wanderer like himself, etched against the canvas of the setting sun. Sitting by the oasis, Ivan contemplated his journey. He realized that, much like the nomad he saw in the water, he was a part of something much larger than himself. The endless plains were not just a physical landscape but a reflection of his own soul, a vast, unexplored territory of dreams, desires, and endless possibilities. With renewed purpose, Ivan mounted Aurora once more, his heart filled with a sense of wonder and adventure. He knew that the journey was not about reaching a destination but embracing the infinite beauty of the road itself. Together, they continued their expedition across the boundless plain, two kindred spirits bound by the freedom of the open land and the endless horizon stretching out before them.